Today's video tutorial, I want to show you how to go about changing your Samsung image profile pic right here. This is with your Samsung account on your Samsung Galaxy A55 smartphone or any other Samsung phone that has Android 14, One UI 6.0, 6.1. In order to make changes to these settings here, basically you'll use the quick panel access and tap on the settings gear icon right there. Once you do that, the first thing you'll see if you are signed into your Samsung account, and you must be signed into your Samsung account, you'll see your username and your Samsung account image profile right here. So as you tap here now, the first thing you'll notice is that you have your image here, the profile pic here. And to change it, basically as you tap on it, you're going to see the option to select from the gallery or actually create an AR emoji. And if you want to go through that, that's up to you. That may take a while and require you to install a few more additional features. You can also go and take a picture if you want a specific photo of yourself at the moment or anything. You can go ahead and do that, or simply remove what's currently there. Now, if you want, so you can go here. And once you have the image all set and ready to go, you'll go into your album section. You'll select the photo here. This is just an image I took early on just to give you an idea of how it's going to work, okay? And then you can adjust it with this here. You can zoom in and out just to capture more of the item itself or the image or whatever it is that you're putting there, okay? And once you've made these changes, you'll press done. And you'll wait for it to process here, okay? It's gonna take a few seconds, and sometimes it may take about an hour or two before you can actually see the image shown up on your screen right here, all right? So ladies and gentlemen, if that helped you out in any way, like and sub.